In this video, which you will watch shortly, there is popular content that explains the security features of the banknote. Do not be surprised if I tell you, for the first time on the internet, if you want to bypass all these features and know all the secrets of the banknote, follow this link, which will take you to the site where you will find all of these secrets that are published for the first time online. I am very sure that anyone in the world's view of the banknote will change after obtaining
banknotes has been gradually introduced over the past few years. And on the 28th of May 2019, the new 100 and 200 euro banknotes will start circulating. Like the 50, the new notes have a portrait of Europa, in the hologram, and in the watermark. And when they are tilted, the emerald number changes color and shows small euro symbols. They also have a brand new security feature, the satellite hologram, showing small euro symbols moving around the number. With the new 100 and 200 euro, the second series of banknotes is now complete. Banknotes have to be upgraded from time to time so that they remain secure, as Europeans rely on them to make payments and for saving. The new 100 and 200 euro, in circulation as of the